I'm Tarik Fallous, and today we are serving up a taste of Lebanon. I will be making fattet battenjen. Battenjen is eggplant and fattet is a crumbled eggplant in this case. This food for me has a lot of memories. The smell of the food, the aromas, the spices, has a lot of memories as a child growing up in Lebanon. I think the most common misconception about Lebanese cuisine is the Lebanese cuisine is just about hummus and falafel, but there's so many other dishes besides hummus and falafel and so much history in those dishes. So first, the eggplant, slice it into 1-inch slices. The way I remember eating this as a child is having a big casserole prepared with fattet for brunch, weekend brunch, or a late breakfast. It's a very nice and healthy and hearty dish that keeps you going for an entire day. Okay, so now we're going to make our yogurt tahini sauce. Tahini is adding nuttiness to the yogurt combination. There are two types of tahini paste. One is dark, prepared from roasted sesame seeds. Another one is called blonde, prepared from just raw sesame seeds. I prefer the blonde tahini paste. Fresh lemon juice. I cook food at my restaurant that I learned from my mother, passed down through generations. Authentic cuisine is a very strong word to say, saying authentic. Each person has a different definition for authentic. What's authentic to me is the food I grew up eating that my mother cooked, my family cooked. Now I'll add the pomegranate molasses, which will add a little tangy flavor. If you've never tried pomegranate molasses, maybe you want to consider using it in your daily dishes because it can become addictive, and I know a lot of people use it and eat it as ketchup. Okay, so now we're going to cut the eggplant and then fry it. Eggplant is very popular in Lebanon. A lot of dishes are made with eggplant. However, there's one person in the family all the time that doesn't love eggplant. But by time, I think everyone changes and they adopt a palate for loving and enjoying eggplants. Oh, it's too late, I guess, huh? Okay, so gently I'm going to add the eggplant into the frying oil that we have. Basic fattet is called fattet hummus, which is just, hummus is the chickpeas. So the basic dish is the chickpeas, and then you can build on it whatever ingredients you'd wish. In our case now, we're adding battenjen, which is the eggplant. However, some people prefer to add different types of meat or ground meat on top. It could be a very similar dish my uncles or extended family cook. However, it's cooked a bit differently with a slightly different seasoning. It's only you, the person who's used to eating it, can tell it's missing that specific small spice or a specific touch at the end. Cook at home, designed specifically for the palates for the people they're cooking for at home. Okay, the eggplants are looking great. We're getting golden crispy color here. Now we're ready to remove them from the oil and transfer them into a plate with a paper towel so the paper towel can absorb all the excess oil. Looks beautiful, smells great. So let's just plate this dish. I used to tell my chefs in the kitchen, serve food the same way you like to eat it. But then I realized that we should serve food and prepare it the same way we are serving it for someone we actually love. Because we can eat in the kitchen, I eat anything. So the key is preparing the food with love and passion to have an ultimate great dish at the end. It can take a bit longer, but the results are worth it. I enjoy cooking this food because it feels so authentic, and I love seeing everybody enjoying it. If you ever tried it before and you're making it again now, we're sharing a memory together right now. If you've never tried it and you are preparing for the first time, you are going to create a memory that you're going to love for many times to come. And here we have an amazing fattet battenjen. So now we're taking the perfect bite here. The entire layer is in one spoon, in one bite. So we have the toasted pita chips, the chickpeas, the eggplant, the pomegranate seeds and sun-dried cranberries on top with the pine nuts. This is so good. This is so beautiful, fragrant, buttery. It's just a taste of home. I really hope you enjoy it with your family and enjoy this dish.